Hello friends, welcome back to our Tsinfo YouTube channel. This is Ganesh Yadav. Guys, are you looking for the complete information about the different types of apps in PowerApps? No need to worry. In this video, we are going to discuss all about the 3 different apps in PowerApps. First of all, open your PowerApps with your respective Microsoft credentials, and whenever you want to create a blank app, just click on the create button. Here select the blank app. Here you can see 3 different types of apps like Canvas app, model driven app, and portal or website or web pages app. Now I will explain the all information of the 3 different apps one by one. First we will discuss about the Canvas app. By using this Canvas app, we can create different screens and design our app visually by adding the different components, controls and data source like more than 200. And Canvas app mostly begins with the building the user experience and using high customization like design the app by dragging or dropping the elements and inserting the number of controls and components. And also it contains 2 different formats like tablet and phone format. And also it is a task based application and not responsive as compared to the model driven app. In Canvas app, we don't need to any custom design. Instead of that, we can just use the default UI to adjust the phones, laptops and other devices. And also we can use this PowerApps Canvas app for internal and external users as per the business goals. Next we will discuss model driven app. See here, in PowerApps we can build a model driven app by using the data that's already stored in a common data service and Microsoft Dataverse. And it is a smart and secure low-code data platform where we can use the only one data source like Microsoft Dataverse. Also, model-driven app designed in an approach that only focus on the following components like forms, views, charts, dashboards and tables. Of course, in a model-driven app, we can create a custom design by using the multiple forms and number of columns. And it is a complex based application used for the end-to-end solution to get all the information. And mainly we can use this app for the internal users and we get only restricted customization and it is a very responsive to business applications. And in the last we will discuss all about the portal app. See, instead of the previous 2 apps, it is very useful to both internal and external users. And it is a nothing but create a low-code Power Pages website for end users and this template comes with a sample pages and sample data. Also in the portal app we can use forms controls and data for that customization. Here we can use only Microsoft Dataverse. By using this portal app we can create more responsive design in the Power Apps and we can get the portal from the dynamic 365 portals. And most of the portals are represented by the web pages where we can use the customization like adding, editing the web pages as per our requirement. And also Power Pages website can be used not only for the developers and also it is useful for non-technical users as well. Yes, this is all the information about the 3 different apps in a Microsoft Power Apps. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and as well as Power BI. Thank you.